Let's take a quick look at a legislation search. To find legislation, simply enter the title of your act, the word section, and the section number. In this example, Motor Vehicle Act, Section 24. Here you have the option of clicking Search Everything and refining to the jurisdiction that you are looking for, and the content type you can change to legislation. You can also search everything and choose legislation post-search from the content type menu on the left-hand side. I've found my Motor Vehicle Act Section 24 for British Columbia, and to view the statute, simply click on the title and it will take you into the document. In Lexis Advance Quicklaw, you can see a table of contents display on the left-hand side, which will allow you to link into other sections in the Act. Currency information will be shown at the top and when the version was effective from. And you may also find an editor's table, which will let you know of any provisions that were changed, when that came into force, and what the authority was. On the right-hand side, you can view a full version, which will give you the entire Act as a PDF document. You can also access point in time in BC, Ontario, Alberta, and federal legislation, which will show you the section as it used to be. Under related content, you'll find you can access regulations under this Act, and you can also access the citing cases in a similar way that you can for a case. For legislation, citing cases will be indicated by a blue circle with a white L. You can click on the blue circle with the white L or citing cases to go to the QuickCite Legislation Citator or the QuickCite Case Citator in the case of a case, and that would be indicated by the green, red, or orange or purple icons as discussed previously. In the Citing Cases record, there are two displays. We have a list view and a graphical view. The graphical view is good for giving you a quick view of the treatments by court, year, and jurisdiction, and by type of treatment. It's easy to refine, for example, to just the 3 cases that have been decided pursuant to this particular section. In the list view, you gain a bit more power because you can use the filter menu on the left-hand side to more closely specify exactly the considerations that you wish to see. Looking at the list of 54 cases, you may wish to see only those that have referred to a particular subsection. To rearrange this list, simply click on Date Newest first and change this to the word Pinpoint. This will organize the references in the order of the section. In this example, starting at section 24, progressing through 24.1, 24.2, 1-2, 3, and so on. If you want to monitor this document for any additional citing cases, you can use the alarm bell icon next to the title of the document to monitor this record. And anytime a new case is added to the record, if a case cites this section of legislation, if any changes are made in any of the tables, you will receive an alert either online in your Research Alerts pod or emailed to you and online. Finally, let's look at a couple of other options that you have in Lexis Advance Quicklaw. If you wish to find cases involving a particular counsel or judge, you can utilize our Advanced Search. Clicking Advanced Search will take you through to the Advanced Search forms. The first step here is to select a specific content type. In my example, I'm going to choose Cases. On the Cases form, this gives you a little bit more precision before you initiate your search. You can enter terms in the terms box, a case name or part of a case name in the case name box, a citation, pre-search a particular date range, choose jurisdictions and court and tribunals if you wish, and you can also enter the name of a judge or a counsel. This will find only those cases which conform to your advanced search criteria and may be a more precise way of searching in particular circumstances. Finally, we'll touch on the quantum tools, which may be particularly relevant to those dealing with cases in family law, employment law, and personal injury. Our quantum tools allow you to find cases which align to particular factors. On the right-hand side, you'll see Advanced Search, Carlson Personal Injury, Canada Sentencing Quantums, Determination de la Peine, Wrongful Dismissal Quantum, and the Wrongful Dismissal Notice Searcher. I recommend that you use these links if you are looking to find cases under any of these categories. If you are looking for matrimonial property quantums, property-related torts, child support, or so on, you can use these links found under quantums. Let's take a quick look at the Wrongful Dismissal Notice Searcher. All of these 5 under Advanced Search operate in the same way, but we'll use the Wrongful Dismissal Notice Searcher in this example. Clicking on any quantum will take you to the search form, and here you can enter terms in the terms box, and/or you can simply choose from the drop-down menu. So if I was looking to find a notice period for an upper management employee who had been employed for 11 to 20 years and was aged 46 to 55, I simply enter in those factors, click on the magnifying glass, and this search tool will find me cases that align with those factors. I have 27 results, and on the left-hand side I can refine my results set further by using the filter menu. And notice here we have the filters that apply specifically to this quantum, so age of employee, job category, years employed. We also have the general filters that you would see on any case results screen. Now that my results are refined, I can go into my result. You'll see there is a little overview here, and if I go into the case itself, I'll be presented with a summary of that decision, which is going to give me all of the factors that were involved in that case in a simple view. So here we have an upper management manager, age 54, who was employed for 13 years, and the notice period was 18 months notice. You can access the full text of the case by using the full text links. That has been Lexis Advance Quicklaw for legal assistants and paralegals. I hope that this video has been useful to you, and we look forward to taking any of your questions in the future.